Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you 3 different tofu recipes that are super easy and super delicious. So let's get right into it. So first we will be making crispy tofu. So you're going to need 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of Szechuan paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon maple syrup, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, and then you're going to take half a block of firm tofu and you're going to use a paper towel to squeeze out all the water. And then you're going to cut it up into equally sized cubes. Then we're going to add in the tofu into the marinade and cover the tofu with the marinade equally so that every piece is covered and so that each piece of tofu has good flavor. Make sure to preheat your oven to 450 Fahrenheit, and then you're going to take your tofu and put it on a baking sheet and make sure to spread it out evenly so that it cooks properly. Then it goes in for 10 to 15 minutes until it's crispy. Then you're going to take it out and flip it. It should look like this, and then you want to flip it so that the other side gets crispy as well for 5 minutes. And voila! Here's your crispy tofu. It has a lot of flavor and it's great for meal prep and great for salads or stir fries or anything you like. Next, we have scrambled tofu. So you're going to dice up half a small onion, half of a zucchini, three mushrooms, and half of a tomato. As well as roughly chop up a handful of spinach. Then you're going to do the same like you did with the last tofu and squeeze it out with paper towel. Then you're just going to crumble it using your hands. Then you're going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and put on the pan and add in your onions and let that cook until it's translucent. Then add in the rest of your vegetables except your spinach with a little bit of salt and let them cook. Then add a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and chili flakes is optional. And a teaspoon of garam masala, red chili powder, and your spinach. And then add a half teaspoon of turmeric, and then add in your crumbled tofu and stir that all together and break up the big chunks of crumbled tofu if needed with the spatula. And it's done! You can eat this with avocado toast or even make it Mexican style, and I've also made this on my birthday vlog, so go check it out. Lastly, we'll be making fried tofu. First, we're going to make the dipping. You're going to need 1 tablespoon mayo, half a teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, half a teaspoon honey mustard, salt and pepper to your taste, and you want to stir that all together, and it should look like this. Then you're gonna take half a block of extra firm tofu and you're gonna cut it up into nice thin slices. I've done squares, you can do whatever shape you like. Then I added a little bit of salt and pepper on it. So now I'm gonna shallow fry these in 1 cup of oil on medium heat. And now I'm gonna add in my tofu and let each side cook for 2 to 4 minutes until it's slightly golden brown. I'm going to use tongs to flip them over. And then I'm going to after they're done, I'm going to put them on a paper towel so that it soaks up all the oil. I'm going to use the paper towel to also dab off the oil. And these are done. They're super easy and a really great high protein snack. So hope you guys got some great ideas, and tell me in the comments down below which recipe was your favorite. Mine was definitely the crispy tofu. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!